Hello, how are you? I hope you're well. I'm pretty good. I'm not gonna paint today. I just wanted to give you a life update, like an update, talk about a few things, and I'm probably not gonna leave this video up for too long, maybe a couple of weeks or whatever. Just wanted to share a few thoughts. I wanna talk about my YouTube channel, YouTube stuff. I wanna talk about Oil Pastels. I want to talk about what I want to do more of on the YouTube channel and what I'm up to for this summer. A few things. YouTube. I've been making videos for almost 5 years now. I really like making videos, but it's so much work, like a lot of work. I work really hard at making the best possible videos that I can, work hard at my art. And after 5 years, I've accumulated 30,000 subscribers as of this day, roughly, which is amazing. What is less amazing is I feel like YouTube is not suggesting my videos to my subscribers. If you feel like you don't see my channel pop on your YouTube feed, it's because YouTube decides what they're gonna recommend to you based on a bunch of different things, but not really on subscriptions that much. Like the subscription thing doesn't really matter that much anymore on YouTube, which is kind of hard to understand, but that's how it is. The only way, if ever you want to see my videos pop on your YouTube feed, the only way to do this is to click the bell notification that tells YouTube, hey, let me know when this person posts. I want to know. That's when you'll see it pop. Otherwise, it'll be kind of buried in different other sections of YouTube. A lot of people told me they didn't even know about the bell. So in case you don't know, if you want to see my videos pop on your feed, you have to ring the bell. And if you have turned on notification, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Maybe you can leave me a little bell emoji in the comment. I'll give you a red balloon back because I really appreciate your time and you leaving comments and watching the videos. Because right now, on 30,000 people that subscribe to the channel, there's maybe about 300 to 500 people that watch. And I don't think it's because they don't want to watch. I think it's just that YouTube doesn't really recommend the channel for some reason. And because of that, I feel like I'm gonna be a little bit annoying in my future videos asking people to turn on the bell. I really hate doing that. I hate asking people to subscribe and all those things. I don't like it. I just wanna say thanks for watching and I'll see you super soon. That's all I wanna say, but I feel like so many people don't know about the algorithm and what YouTube recommends and all that. And I'm sure that some people a lot of people saw my channel and were like, oh, this is interesting, click subscribe. And then they were never recommended again. Sorry, the doorbell. They were never recommended my YouTube channel again. And it's not because they didn't want to watch it. It's just that YouTube didn't really recommend it. All right, enough about that. The next thing I want to talk about is what I want to make more of, what types of videos I want to make more of, what's exciting to me right now. I really like vlogs, art vlogs, like spending the whole day in my studio and vlogging my process and what I'm up to, whatever things I'm doing. I really like testing new art supplies. I have a bunch of things in my cupboards that I've like gotten and really saved for videos but never got around to testing it. And very often I would want to test it on my own just for fun, but I stop myself because I want to make a video about it. I want to share my first impressions and my process in testing. And that's why sometimes after a haul it takes a long time before I get to showing you how I'm using it and what I'm doing with it, just because time, you know. But there's so many new things that I want to try. I also like to share the creative process from an idea to trying things out and having issues along the way to seeing how it evolves and how the result comes to be and my thoughts about all that. So vlogs is really my favorite way to share all that with you. When it comes to what type of paintings I want to make, I'm really drawn to bold, expressive, and bordering on abstract work, and I'm always very self-conscious when it comes to that, because I feel like most people that watch art on YouTube are more attracted to figurative work and more realistic work and more illustrative work. And I like it, but I like it less often, or I'm less excited to paint something that's more figurative and more realistic than the rest of the stuff, like the more abstract and bold and a bit weird. Like when I want to paint a portrait or draw a portrait, it doesn't come out pretty, but I'm not super interested in pretty. I'm more interested in interesting and different and trying new things and like being surprised, you know. But people are more drawn to like a pretty portrait that looks very close to the original or really like beautiful and all that. Anyways, I'm probably gonna test out a bunch of weird stuff, like weird, I mean like more expressive and abstract stuff. I hope you're interested in that, even if it's not really figurative or realistic. I still want to include realistic stuff or figurative stuff because I do like it. Like the portrait of Lennox that I did, he's so cute, I like it. I did a few other things that are more realistic, but it's probably gonna be mostly expressive and abstract stuff, just so you know. I also did super bold flowers, like kind of messy flowers, which I like. But I don't know, maybe you prefer really dainty, pretty, dreamy flowers. Let me know what you think. I'm curious to know your opinion. I like the bold, messy stuff. It's exciting to me, I don't know why. Which brings me to oil pastels. So many of you discovered my channel because of my oil pastel series. A few years ago, I did a series explaining how to use it, all my best tips, exploring it, trying so many things, finding ways to varnish it, and so many things. I feel like I've covered most of the topics when it comes to how to use them and tutorials and all that stuff. And I feel like the rest of it would probably be me painting a bunch of oil pastels and showing you what I'm doing. The only thing about that is that I've been more interested in other mediums like acrylic paint a lot more. I've also been very interested in ink washes, like I did ink wash flowers that are black and white. I'm interested in that. Also, I'm excited about charcoal, but I know that charcoal is probably not exciting to most people. And I've been less attracted to oil pastel. So I'm kind of like, it's a conundrum, you know. Oil pastels are amazing and beautiful, and I like the texture and the finish of it, but they're annoying when it comes to preserving them, storing them. There's no real way to seal them, and I would want to use them on a canvas, like a gallery canvas, instead of having it on paper. And it's hard to store, it's hard to varnish, it's just inconvenient. That's what's stopping me the most to use them. I think the way I see my future with oil pastel, it's probably using it in mixed media. I feel like I've said this before. So having a painting in acrylic and then adding pops here and there, or like a contour line with oil pastels. But I don't really see myself doing that many full oil pastel paintings and drawings. So if that's what you love about my channel and that's what you want, I'm sorry. I'm probably not gonna do a lot of it, just so you know. So if you feel like because of that you want to unsubscribe, I understand. I send you a lot of inspiration, genuinely. I hope you have a lot of inspiration and that you can make beautiful paintings. Fully understand. You do what's best for you. I still love you. On my side, I really want to stay inspired, even if YouTube is a little bit finicky sometimes. It's sometimes disheartening, but I still want to keep going on, of course. And for the summer, just so you know, I might not publish like 2 or 3 videos a week. I've never really published 2 or 3 videos a week, but I've always tried to publish every single Saturday, every single Saturday morning. But I might miss a few Saturdays this summer, a little bit, just because I feel like a lot of people are on vacation. People watch YouTube a lot less during the summer. I've noticed it in the last 5 years at least. And I'm kind of excited about gardening right now. If you want me to do a garden tour, I take special requests, go for it. But I've been planting a bunch of things in my garden, cut flowers, tomatoes, and so yeah, I might do a little bit more of that during the summer. I'm still gonna publish most weeks, just so you know, don't worry about it, but I'm not slacking. I'm giving myself the summer to be a little bit more chilled and maybe post every week, but skipping a couple weeks sometimes here and there, so that I keep my energy, because when autumn comes, like September, October, I'd like to pick up the pace and at least until December publish 2 or 3 videos a week. Oh my god, is that a commitment? I'd like to do it. I'd like to give myself a challenge to up the number of videos. Anyways, a lot of random thoughts. If you have thoughts about everything I've said, let me know. Let me know, I'm curious. If you have suggestions for me, or if there's specific things you'd like to see or me to test specific art supplies, let me know in the comments. I take everything down. Like when you recommend things to me, I take note of it. Like I made a video about soft pastel the other day, and it was my first time trying it, and so many of you gave me really great suggestions because you know more about soft pastel than I do, and I write everything down. At some point I want to do a soft pastel haul to try all those new things, like great paper, great soft pastel brands and all that stuff, to test things out. And if you're still here, you're the real deal. Thank you so much. Ring the bell. Please ring the notification bell. Give me suggestions of videos you want to see. Even if it's oil pastel and you're like, I want you to draw this in oil pastel, suggest it to me. I might do it. Actually, I might do it. I'm less inspired about oil pastel right now, and it might change in the future, you know. But if someone gives me a really good idea, I might actually be like, yeah, let's do that. Why not? Let me know what you're up to during the summer. I'll be doing gardening. Leave me a bell icon. If you rang the bell, I will send you a red balloon because I really want to thank you. And I'll see you very soon for a new video, hopefully this Saturday morning. This was just like a big let's catch up. Now we're all caught up. Thanks so much